Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Myself Kashif Ehsan. I'm I'm going to start presentation on the fifth generation of computer. So here's the introduction. I'm going to start introduction that what from where fifth generation start actually. Fifth generation computer system was initiated by Japan's Ministry of International Trades and Industry began in 1982 to create a computer using massively parallel computing processing. Fifth generation computing devices are still in development, though there are some applications such as voice recognition they are being used today. The use of parallel processing and superconductors is helping to make artificial intelligence a reality. So I'm going to discuss characteristic of fifth generation computer. Here is some characteristic of fifth generation computer. Number one, the fifth generation computers will use super large scale integrated chips. They have artificial intelligence. They are able to recognize image and graphs, able to some highly complex program problems including decision making, logical reasoning. They are able to use more than one CPU for fast processing speeds. So they have faster speed intended to work with natural language. So these are some characteristics of artificial fifth generation of computer. I'm going to discuss artificial intelligence. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to discuss artificial technology. Let's begin from definition. Okay, according to the father of artificial intelligence, John Martry, it is that the science and engineering of making intelligent machines, especially intelligent computer programs. Okay, the second one is philosophy. The development of artificial intelligence started with the intentions of creating similar intelligence in machines that people find and regard in humans. Goals. Number one, to create expert systems to implement human intelligence in machines. So here is a goal of fifth generation computer. For example, full form means speech interpretation. Okay, full form speech interpretation and recognition interface. Developers Apple like initial release October 14, 2011 and type intelligent personal assistant. Okay, these are some apps of fifth generation computer. Cogita, Amazon. Okay, developers Amazon initial release November 2014. Platform types in. Okay, I'm going to discuss application of artificial intelligence. So here's some application of artificial intelligence, that is gaming, natural language processing, expert systems, vision systems, speech recognition, handwriting recognition, and intelligent robots. Okay, so here is some advantages of fifth generation computer. Error reduction, no breaks, medical applications were developed in fifth generation computer, repetitive jobs. Disadvantages of fifth generation computer. Number one, high cost. Number two, no replicating humans. Number three, no improvement with experience. No original creativity. There's a picture of speech recognition, that is a feature of fifth generation computer. Also known as automatic recognitions or computer speech recognition, understanding voice by the computer and performing any required task. So speech recognition is a feature of fifth generation computer. Here I'm discuss where it can be used, from where we can use speech recognition system in a system control, navigation system, commercial industrial applications, and voice dealing. Okay, speech recognition and voice recognition. These both terms are common in robotics, expert systems, and natural language processing. Though these terms are used interchangeably, their objectives are different. Here's a difference between speech recognition and voice recognition. The speech recognition aims at understanding and comprehending what was spoken. And voice recognition, the objective of voice recognition is to recognize WHO is speaking. Who is speaking? Okay. It is used in hand-free computing, map or menu navigation, and voice recognition. It analyzes person tones, voice pitch, and accent to identify person. In speech recognition, machine doesn't need training as it is not speaker dependent. And in voice recognition, the recognition system needs training as it is person oriented. So there is a difference between these both terms. Image recognition. Okay, I'm going to discuss image recognition. Here's a definition that what actually image recognition is. The ability of software to identify object, place, person, writing, and action in image, that is called image recognition. Computers can use machine vision technologies in combination with a camera and artificial intelligence software to achieve image recognition. Okay, I'm going to discuss uses of image recognition, from where these image recognition use. Okay, number one, labeling the content of images and performing content search, guiding autonomous robot, self-driving cars, or they are used in accident evidence system, factory automation, security, surveillance. So these are some uses of image recognition. Conclusion. So I'm going to discuss conclusion of fifth generation computer. Okay, the term fifth generation was intended to convey the system as being a leap beyond existing machines. Fifth generation computers are in development stage, which is based on the artificial intelligence. It will have the power of human intelligence. The goal of fifth generation is to develop the device which could respond to natural language input and are capable of learning and self-organization. There are many application systems and devices which are very helpful in day-to-day work, like speech to text a app, Google Assistant, and Combined, etc. These are conclusions. So I'm done with fifth generation computer. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.